29 मे महिन्याच्या there was a kidnapping of two minor girls happened at a one time only, and wherein one 12 years old girl and one 15 years old girl were missing, and the parents at the same time parents have come to Colvale police station stating that their daughter are missing, and one girl is of Hindu community, another girl is of Muslim community. So at the time both the girls were missing, so we were also taken aback, but we immediately swung in action. We registered two separate FIR in this case of kidnapping and under Children Act, and we have taken up the investigation. During the course of investigation, we have interrogated the family members, neighbors, friends, and it was learned and revealed that the girls are taken to Hubli. So without wasting time, a team, PI Majik, and has formed that team. Somnath Majik formed the team headed by our PSI Mandar Parab, and the staff had immediately proceeded to late night yesterday to Hubli, and the meticulous investigation was carried out, and it revealed that these girls are hidden at Kasbah Bed police station area, and we took the assistance of the inspector of the Kasbah Bed police station, and he was very cooperative, and we raided the said house, and after raiding the said house, we PSI Mandar has rescued both the girls in the proper and good condition before any atrocity. Looks like they were not tortured that much, and we have rescued both the girls, and we have arrested the person who has housed those minor girls in his premises. Further, on interrogation to Naveen, we found that these girls were brought by one Mr. Tausif Kaledar alias Munna. He is from Hubli. So without wasting more time, our PSI has raided the house of this Tausif, and he was also arrested. And Tausif confessed that he has brought these girls at Dharwad. Here, further investigation revealed that these girls were lured by the accused person that you get the gold ornaments with you, you get whatever valuable things with you, so that we will give a luxurious life. And again on this angle, the accused person were interrogated, and accused informed that yes, this girl have brought the gold ornaments, and this ornament he has sold to one of the local jeweler at Hubli. Here again we raided the jeweler, and then we successfully recovered entire gold ornament by this accused person brought by these minor girls in Hubli. So we have recovered two gold chains, we have recovered the earrings, we recovered silver ornaments, and the value of the gold ornament is at present cannot be estimated, but we recovered entire gold ornament brought by this sold by this accused person, which was taken from the victim. Now only on the pretext of that giving a luxurious life, these girls were lured and were taken to Hubli. The commendable work is done by Colvale police. The entire team was led by respected our SP North Nidin Walson IPS sir had given the necessary guidance to investigate this case. Myself was monitoring entire rescue operation. PSI Mandar has on the field, he has done excellent work, and if anything wrong would have happened for these girls, were stopped due to timely action by the our by Goa Police. So this is really commendable work, and we will now the rescued girl, we will now send them for medical examination if there is any such abuse or assault or any sexual abuse is there. We will refer them. If any such things are come from medical examination, we will add the cases and the POCSO Act, everything. We will add more section in this.